Pell City homeowners know how important it is to keep their homes comfortable year-round. With hot summers, fluctuating temperatures, and rising energy costs, even small inefficiencies can have a noticeable impact on monthly utility bills. One of the most effective yet often overlooked upgrades is installing energy-efficient entry doors. Designed to reduce heat transfer and air leakage, these doors offer lasting comfort, savings, and value for Pell City homes. Here's why energy-efficient entry doors are a smart investment. Reducing heat transfer during hot summers. Pell City's warm climate means air conditioning works overtime for much of the year. Older or poorly insulated doors allow heat to seep indoors, forcing cooling systems to run longer. Energy-efficient entry doors feature insulated cores that slow heat transfer, tight-fitting frames that block outside air, durable materials designed to resist warping. These features help keep cooled air inside and unwanted heat out. Lower energy bills month after month. Because entry doors are frequently used and exposed, they can be a major source of energy loss. Energy-efficient doors minimize air leaks, reducing the workload on HVAC systems. Homeowners often notice lower cooling costs in summer, improved temperature stability, reduced energy waste year-round. Over time, these savings help offset the cost of the upgrade. Improved indoor comfort near entryways. Drafty entry doors create hot spots that make nearby rooms uncomfortable. Energy-efficient doors help regulate indoor temperatures more evenly. Benefits include cooler entryways during warm months, fewer temperature fluctuations, increased comfort in adjacent rooms. This improvement makes everyday living more enjoyable. Enhanced sealing prevents air and moisture leaks. In Pell City, humidity can lead to moisture intrusion if doors aren't sealed properly. Energy-efficient entry doors are designed with advanced weather stripping and tight seals. These features prevent air infiltration, block moisture and humidity, reduce the risk of mold and interior damage. Better sealing protects both comfort and home structure. Durable materials withstand local conditions. Energy-efficient entry doors are available in materials designed to handle Pell City's climate. Popular options include fiberglass doors with insulated cores, steel doors with thermal barriers, composite doors engineered for stability. These materials maintain performance despite temperature changes. Added security with modern construction. Many energy-efficient doors also offer enhanced security. Reinforced cores, strong frames, and high-quality hardware improve protection. Homeowners benefit from stronger resistance to forced entry, secure locking systems. Greater peace of mind. Security and energy efficiency go hand in hand. Boosting curb appeal and home value. A new entry door dramatically improves curb appeal. Energy-efficient doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and glass options. This upgrade creates a strong first impression, signals a well-maintained home, increases resale appeal. Energy-efficient features are especially attractive to buyers. Professional installation maximizes performance. To achieve full efficiency, proper installation is essential. Professional installers ensure correct alignment, sealing, and insulation. This ensures maximum energy savings, smooth door operation, long-term durability. A long-term investment with lasting benefits. Energy-efficient entry doors provide benefits that extend far beyond immediate savings. Homeowners enjoy consistent comfort, reduced maintenance, lower energy costs, increased home value. A smart upgrade for Pell City homes. Investing in energy-efficient entry doors is a practical decision for Pell City homeowners. By reducing heat transfer, lowering energy bills, improving comfort, and enhancing security, these doors deliver long-term value. For homeowners looking to improve comfort and efficiency while protecting their investment, energy-efficient entry doors are a smart, lasting upgrade that pays off year after year.